when you deliver a product or a service to the client, do you forget about them or do you actually take the feedback from them? Now, believe it or not, every customer is your advocate. If you give them good services or a good product, they will go out in the market and they will talk about you on how good you are in your product or service. But if you do not take the feedback, then you don't know whether their experience with your business, with your company was good or bad, and you're leaving it up to chance. And it has been seen in SME business owner sector that business owners are not taking any feedback, and because of which the people who are not happy with their service are going out and criticizing about their product and service. And let me tell you, one customer who is not happy with your service in next 2 years can ruin your next 40 customers as well. So what to do? Let me guide you. Whenever you deliver a product or whenever you deliver a service, okay, you can use a Google form, which you can create in terms of feedback form. You can share with the client via email, and the client can open the Google form and they can fill their name, their contact details, and which product they bought and how was their experience. And you can get to know on whether the experience was 5-star out of 5-star, whether it's 4-star, 3-star or 2-star, or they are not happy at all. Or you can customize the questions based on your business. Now, Google form you can share via WhatsApp, via website, or via email in any form. But when your customers share the feedback, you can analyze whether they are happy or whether they are not happy with your service. And what you can do post that, if the client is happy with your service, you can call them, you can say thank you to them, and you can ask them to share a video testimonial, or you can ask them to give you a Google review or Facebook reviews as well. Now, what if I ask you, when you go on Amazon and buy any product, what is that number one criteria which you see while making a buying decision? Well, the number of criteria is how many 5-star ratings this product or this service have. And when it comes to the SME business owners as well, people search about who you are, what kind of quality services you provide, and your ratings on Facebook and Google, creates a very big role on that. So from now on, whenever you deliver a product or service, send a feedback form which you can create in Google form and ask them if they're happy, then request them for a 5-star rating, and if they're not happy, take a genuine feedback and improve your services so that the next customer should be happy.